Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile on an emulator. Many players prefer the precision and larger screen that a computer offers for this fast-paced game. We will cover everything from choosing the right software to optimizing your gameplay. By the end, you will be ready to jump into the action with improved control and a more immersive experience. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few minutes to set up. First, you will need to select a suitable Android emulator. Popular choices include BlueStacks and Nox Player, both offering excellent compatibility and performance for Call of Duty Mobile. Visit their official websites to download the installer. The installation process is typically straightforward, taking about 5 to 10 minutes. Just follow the on-screen prompts and ensure your computer has at least 4 GB of RAM for optimal performance. Once your emulator is installed and running, open the Google Play Store from its home screen. This functions just like the Play Store on your mobile device. Search for Call of Duty Mobile and proceed with the installation. The game file size is typically around 2 GB, so ensure you have sufficient storage. After installation, launch the game and log in using your Activision account or create a new one to start playing. Now that Call of Duty Mobile is installed, it's time to optimize your experience. Most emulators offer robust key mapping tools, allowing you to customize keyboard and mouse controls for precise aiming and movement. Experiment with in-game graphics settings to find the perfect balance between visual quality and smooth frame rates. With a larger screen and superior controls, you are now ready to dominate the battlefield and enjoy an enhanced gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.